Hey guys, welcome to Digital Rakesh channel. So today we discuss topic about that how we can set up Google AdWords account. As a new beginner, how we can starting the Google AdWords account. First of all, log in your particular email address. So account will be open two process. Google.com/ads, adwords.com/google, google.com/adwords, adwords.google.com, google.com/ads, google.com/adwords. So first of all, we can log in adwords.google.com. This setup process, lot of people confuse. So how we can set up the my account? So they're showing smart campaign first. So how we can set up the Google AdWords account? Here, click for sign in option. When click sign in, is asking for new Google account create, switch to the Google account. So you have two options. So I'm creating for new Google account. Click for new Google ad account. When you click this option, they first of all campaign will be start by with the Google Ad Express. This will be a lot of people confused. So how we can set up this account? How we can set up the my payment gateway? So how we can happen my account will be activated. In this purpose, first of all, don't click any option. Here, click option will be switch to expert mode. This option compulsory mandatory. Click here. When you click the switch to expert mode, they will shift it to the Google AdWords account. That is the main account will be here. Here, create an account without a campaign. So I'm not creating any campaign. This is a complete plain campaign. Create and without campaign. Select. Why? Because we are set up the account. We are set up the account. So that is the reason we don't select any kind of options. After option will be here, billing currency. When you set up account time, you will be understanding the currency option. You'll be understanding the currency option. First of all, remember, once currency will be fixed, we can't change the currency. This is my rule. So suppose I'm selecting Indian currency. How we can change other currency? Create other account. So you can create the multiple Google Ads account. So here now is Indian currency, time zone, and currency will be Indian rupees. Submit. So how we can set up the my payment structure? Explore your account. So properly your account will be set up 100% secure and configure account. So where you can do the mistakes, there is an expert mode. You can click create account without campaign. Two steps are important. In this, after this one, we have to go option name is called billing summary. Where billing summary. In this summary, you have to activate your account with a manual payment. That is a money transfer option. Where India, so currency does not change. Why? Our account will be set up with the Indian currency. We can't change our currency option. So this will be done and account will be ready is a process. Here I'm changing will be money transfer option. The payment will be manual payment and click for submit. So here we did not use any option. So everything will be manual payment complete. The account will be set up successfully done. So here my payment will either make a payment and start your transfer here, anything, and add your make a payment option. So this is a process we can done by create the Google AdWords account. Once done by start the campaign will be in your Google AdWords account option. So this is the purpose to activate Google AdWords account on the particular campaign structure. One is skip expert mode, mean nothing but we don't skip the expert mode. Second thing will be don't skip the create a without campaign option. When you click this one, your billing will be started created by the option name is called money transfer manual payment. So finally, you can start the campaign. What are the goals you require? Without goal campaign will be start and create the leads on the particular Google AdWords account. This is compulsory understanding how will we stitch the Google AdWords account by using AdWords account campaign with the new Gmail address. So guys, if any further doubts, ask me to the Distracted channel. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.